if anything is to come out of the events of the last week, if we are not to have a repeat of this in 5 years, 10 years, 12 years, 20 years, Emmerson Mnangagwa himself must learn the lesson that it is not the leadership of ZANU-PF which decrees to people. It is the people who must decree. Never again should they be tempted to use coercion to curtail the sovereign right of the people. If he has not learned this lesson from the events of the last week, from the events of yesterday, then his presidency, which might appear inevitable, will also fail. So my advice is that they should draw the correct lessons from history, that governance is by consent, not by coercion. And that is a very, very important lesson to be learned from all of this. If they have not learned this, then history will repeat itself.
Thank you.